How to set up an LLC in Wyoming 2025. In this video, we're going to be quickly talking about how you're going to be creating an LLC in the state of Wyoming, which is the state known for most LLCs and business ventures. So, if you want to get started for this, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to come over to the IRS website. Now, in the IRS website, you're going to go over to the LLC section where you're going to see that you have all the classifications that they require you to go through with. Then you're going to make sure to go over to starting a business, and you're going to make sure to have all of the requirements that they need over here, like a business structure, employer identification number, business taxes, and a whole lot more. Now, once you've gone ahead and compiled all of those details and classifications that they require from you, from here, go over to wyomingagents.com, which is Wyoming's very own website that allows you to set up an LLC in the cheapest prices that there are out there. Now, you can either get a registered agent, which is going to do the work for you, or you can form a company for $154 by yourself. So it depends on you on whichever journey you want to take. Now, over here, simply add in all these details like entering your company name, business type, LLC, obviously, notify your attorney of a lawsuit. You can go ahead with yes or no, whatever you want. Fill in your options, management info, and once you've done all of that, make the payment of a grand total of $180. And what they're going to do is through a registered agent, you are going to get a full packed LLC in the state of Wyoming. So that is pretty much about it. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.